and graphic. The best in music and graphic will receive 10,000 pesos sponsored by Ecomart Malasiqui.
Ayan, 10,000. Makakabili na yan ng maraming... bahala na kayo dyan para gusto nyong bilhin.
The best in music and graphic is contingent number.
Of course, may we request our friends from Economy Mart to help us and present our awards, our best in music and graphic design.
And graphic design is contingent number 4.
Alright, may we request our SK Chairman, our punong barangays here present to please receive your prizes. 8,000 pesos and a trophy.
Okay, we just want to reiterate that best costume is different from best in costume. Best costume is the aesthetic, the design, ganyan. Best in costume is how you use the costume during your performance. So that's the difference of it. And like what I've mentioned, the simpler the better, or the closest to what you're portraying, the farmers, the better. So the best in costume for Malasiqui Pagey
Festival 2026
is contingent number. Best in costume is contingent number 1.
Congratulations, our contingent number 1. May we call in our participating SK Chairman and Chairwoman, our punong barangays, to please receive your prize.
Is contingent number.
Introduction design.
Best in production design is contingent number 5.
Hello! Yung pinabili ko. May we request our punong barangay and participating SK Chairman and Chairwomen to please receive.
This is Best in Showdown.
Best and Showdown.
Best in Showdown.
Our best in showdown will bring home 10,000 pesos in cash and a trophy.
The best in showdown during the Unity Dance. Best in showdown during the Unity Dance is contingent number 4.
Sila na naman!
May we request our participating SK Chairman and Chairwomen to please receive the award.
It's best in street dancing.
Our best in street dancing will bring home 20,000 pesos, of course, courtesy from our friends at Nari Gold Store.
Best in street dancing is contingent number 8.
Uy, grabe yung tuwa nyo. Talon siya ng talon. May we have our representatives from our contingent number 8. Can you please receive your... tama na. Mga laki lang ba na? Apura yun. Tapos mga tilagang doon.
Best in choreography.
And our best in choreography shall bring home 10,000 pesos and a trophy.
The Pagey Festival 2026 Best in Choreography is contingent number Best in Choreography is contingent number 4.
Our Festival King shall bring home 5,000 pesos, and the Festival Queen shall bring home 5,000 pesos, and the Festival King will bring me home.
We judge it based on your performance during the Unity Dance Showdown and of course your charisma and charm. The Festival King is contingent number. Festival King is contingent number 3.
May we have our Festival King from contingent number 3 to receive your award.
Contingent number. Festival Queen is contingent number 1.
May we call in our Festival Queen from contingent number 1 to please receive your cash prize. Congratulations, and I think
Presentation po mamaya na lang kasi sila yung nag-champion. Our major awards. The second runner-up.
the second runner-up will bring home 150,000 pesos.
The Malasiqui Pagey Festival.
Pagey. Si kami may pagey.
The Malasiqui Pagey Festival 2026 second runner-up is the second runner-up is contingent number 8.
May we have representatives from our contingent number 8 to receive your check and your trophy. Congratulations, of course.
Sayawan tan respeto ipinabli sa siya'y katuwan ang pinulot paulyaran kanilan man pasala Malasiqui dance.
This is the first runner-up.
Alright, Sir Joshua, hintayin lang natin silang makaupo. Palakpakan nun natin ulit. Contingent number 8 is here's the second place. Anong nararamdaman nyo? Medyo nagbangsit, ha? Thank you and congratulations. Of course, hindi lang mga dancer, palakpakan nyo rin ang ating mga propsmen. Ayan, Diyos ko, alam ko kung bakit nawawala ang propsmen sa practice. Alam niyo kung bakit? Tanong natin siya. Chareng! Alright, I think they are settled. Ayun ang sign kung bakit sila nawawala. Gumagawa silang longganisa.
The Malasiqui Pagey Festival 2026 first runner-up. The first runner-up is contingent number
To bring home 200,000 pesos.
first runner-up is contingent number 5.
magpasalamat. Malasiqui dance. Kanina pa kanila, lahat tayo'y magkaisa. Malasiqui ating mahal, ipag-iwan. Pagay festival,
Yun, and best in choreography.
But before that, pwede ho ba? Sige. Congrats mga bes!
Okay, our champion and best in vocal presentation.
To bring home 300,000 pesos!
Sa Malasiqui Pagey Festival 2026. Best in vocal presentation and the champion is... Congratulations on your back-to-back champion!